first things I noticed. It's like, oh.
I guess the blue dot means wherever all the updates is. Take a screenshot of that.
Wow. It's like very... That getting on the freeway was pretty solid.
Does it seem like the camera view is crisper too?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I was talking about this when we left. That, yeah, like all the lines, all the definition of the lines, and like I noticed things, you know, I'm seeing things that I didn't before. Not only the crispness, you also don't get, you got a little bit right there, but there's, oh look, there we go. The light was red. Yeah, don't need to buy the aftermarket stuff. And then it gives you this blowed out view. Overview look.
I wonder, like, when does it decide to do that, you know?
I think after a lane change. We'll see. See, that's good where you can see this car right here. Where you, I can't, you know, like you would never see that. I guess it only turns red if the blinker's on, which is fine. Because that would get annoying every time you pass a car.
Yeah.
That's way better than a little dot. So that's big improvement. I mean, this is there. Why not redesign this? Do a cost down. Don't take the wiring and save your money on this. It's already here. You would save quite a bit of labor and stuff on that. Changing that in the manufacturing area. CPI. Send it to Tesla. It's going to go. I guess it's going to go all the way to Shepherd or come in that way, I guess. Switching lanes a lot more, but it's actually just kind of chill, you know, like.
Yeah.
I haven't paid attention to the speed limit, you know, like, you know, standard should be 60, you know, not 65. So that's what I'm curious to see. Yeah, okay, so it's still 65. Oh, 66. So they increased it. If it goes with traffic, if it's flowing with traffic, if it does what it needs to do, if it has that reasoning capability, then
I was blown away that there was a school for non-traditional
it's perfect,
students
yeah.
in Ivy League University.
Just that little strip, I thought it was doing that, like going with the flow, but can't tell if it was. Or it was just speeding up.
I mean, it should read that car in front of us and try to mirror. Seems like the drivability is smoother to me. Transitioning, braking, acceleration
Yeah.
is more crisp. Even the steering is like before the steering. It seemed like it would get like.
Dress? Honey, are you feeling okay?
Wow.
Blue ribbon coconut margarita.
Oh. Superman. 1, 2, 3, 4. $1. Wow! I'm Superman! Whoa!
See, when you take off, it doesn't blow out and then it comes back in. Anytime there's a transitioning.
Superman! I'm Superman!
I don't know what it did before. It might have did it before, but I wasn't paying. It's funny how the more you're looking, more little things, and you're like, oh, that was the same way on the other one too. You're looking for stuff now that you got an update.
I need the Hulk! 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 I'm the Hulk! Let's show Nastya! Look how strong I am! Elsa, no, I'm the Hulk! Look, it's all big things
When it slowed down, yeah, it's smoother.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, we have pimples!
And it's more coasting instead of actual brake, hard brake.
Yeah. No regenerative. Yeah, the regenerative's braking is more turned off. Yeah, it'll be manually drive it, and that's going to be, you'll be able to tell that regenerative braking part if it's still aggressive or not. So it knows to stop to let people transition.
Oh, that's a good change lane, pass up.
Yeah. Transition.